How to change the controls of your Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the controls of your Roblox. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is simply open up your Roblox and log in into your account. After you do that, you will need to know that there is no direct way you can change the controls altogether. But there is a way that you can just change the controls. And that is by simply entering a game and changing it inside. So let us open up a game first. And let us open this game here. Let it load. So after it loads, what you'll need to do is you'll need to wait for it to completely, render. After it does that, simply tap on the escape key. After the game starts, tap on the escape key and head over to your settings. Now inside your settings, you will find different options such as your configuration mode and your movement mode and something like that. Now the settings depend on your games. So if your games involve a lot of keys and the keys have different functions, they will have that in their settings. So you can simply change it from there. In this game, I have my movement mode and different modes for it. After I change that, my complete controls will get changed. And it depends on your game. From game to game, all of it is different. So yeah, change it according to your game. And after you change it, that is basically it. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.